Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a bucket in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your plans and allow you to start organizing your tasks more effectively. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu option labeled My Plans. Go ahead and click on it. This will display all the plans you have access to, whether you created them yourself or have been added to them by team members. From the list of available plans, choose the one where you want to add a new bucket by clicking on it. This will open up the plan's board view where you can see all your existing buckets and tasks organized in columns. Buckets in Planner work like categories or phases, helping you group related tasks together for better organization. Now, inside your selected plan, look for an option that says Add a new bucket. You'll typically find this displayed prominently on the board, often as the last column or as a clickable option near your existing buckets. Click on it to begin creating your new organizational bucket. Once you click it, a text field will appear where you can input your bucket name. Type in whatever name best describes the category or phase you're creating. For example, you might name it In Progress, Review, or Marketing Tasks, depending on your workflow. After typing your desired name, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard to create the bucket. The new bucket will immediately appear on your board, ready for you to start adding tasks. Now that your bucket is created, you have several management options available. Click the three dots icon that appears on your bucket to reveal a menu with additional actions. From this menu, you can click Rename if you need to change the bucket's name later. This is helpful when your project evolves or you need to adjust your organization system. You can also click Delete to remove the bucket entirely if it's no longer needed. Keep in mind that deleting a bucket will also remove all tasks within it, so use this option carefully. Additionally, you can click Move Left to reposition your bucket on the board. This lets you arrange buckets in the order that makes the most sense for your workflow, putting the most important or current phases at the front. And that's it. You've now created and learned how to manage buckets in Microsoft Planner, giving you better control over how you organize your team's tasks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.